The human immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect the body from harmful pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. It is divided into two main types: the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system. Innate immune system. The innate immune system is the body's first line of defense. It responds to pathogens in a generic way and is not specific to any particular pathogen. This system includes physical barriers. These include the skin, mucous membranes, and the lining of the respiratory, digestive, and urogenital tracts, which act as barriers to prevent pathogens from entering the body. Chemical barriers. The body secretes chemicals like acids, enzymes, and antimicrobial peptides that inhibit or destroy pathogens. For example, stomach acid kills many ingested pathogens. Cellular defenses. Key cells involved in the innate immune response include phagocytes. Cells such as macrophages and neutrophils engulf and digest pathogens. Natural killer (NK) cells. These cells target and destroy infected or cancerous cells. Dendritic cells. These cells capture antigens and present them to T cells, initiating the adaptive immune response. Inflammatory response. When tissues are injured, they release chemicals like histamine, which cause blood vessels to become more permeable, allowing immune cells to enter the affected area. This leads to inflammation, which helps isolate the infection and promotes healing. Adaptive immune system. The adaptive immune system is more specialized and can remember specific pathogens, leading to a faster and more potent response upon subsequent exposures. It is divided into two main components. Humoral immunity. B cells. B cells are a type of white blood cell that produces antibodies, which are proteins that specifically bind to antigens on pathogens. Plasma cells. Once activated by an antigen, B cells differentiate into plasma cells, which secrete large quantities of antibodies. Memory B cells. These cells remain in the body long after an infection has been cleared, allowing for a quicker response if the pathogen is encountered again. Cell-mediated immunity. T cells. T cells are another type of white blood cell that plays a critical role in the immune response. Helper T cells. CD4+. These cells assist other immune cells by releasing cytokines, which enhance the immune response. Cytotoxic T cells. CD8+. These cells directly kill infected cells by recognizing small fragments of pathogens presented on the surface of infected cells. Regulatory T cells. These cells help to control and regulate the immune response, preventing excessive damage to the body's own tissues. Immune memory. One of the most remarkable features of the adaptive immune system is its ability to remember past infections. After an infection, memory B cells and T cells remain in the body and can quickly respond if the same pathogen is encountered again. This principle is the basis of how vaccines work. Immune system disorders. While the immune system usually protects the body, sometimes it can malfunction, leading to autoimmune diseases. The immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. Examples include rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and type 1 diabetes. Immunodeficiency. When parts of the immune system are missing or not functioning properly, leaving the body more vulnerable to infections. Examples include HIV, AIDS, and primary immunodeficiency diseases. Allergies. The immune system overreacts to harmless substances like pollen or pet dander, causing symptoms like sneezing, itching, and swelling. Role of vaccination. Vaccines stimulate the immune system by introducing an inactivated or weakened form of a pathogen, or a piece of the pathogen. Like a protein, this doesn't cause disease but primes the immune system to recognize and fight the pathogen in the future, providing immunity without the need to contract the disease. The human immune system is incredibly sophisticated, allowing the body to fight off infections and maintain health. However, it also requires balance to avoid overreacting or underreacting to various stimuli.